Hello, sir, ma'am. Have a nice day. I'm Golda May Angelis, 44 years old, married, undergraduate of Bachelor's Elementary Education. I'm 70 Adventist. I'm here in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, Philippines. I have working experience in two countries. The first one in Amman, Jordan, since 2006 to 2017 with 5 members of the family. They have 3 kids. The first one is 9 years old, the second one is 4 years old, and the last one is 1 year old. My duty and responsibility to them: cleaning the house, ironing, washing, preparing some food for the kids, and help them to prepare the things for school, and prepare the food for them and feeding the kids. Sir, ma'am, and also in Abu Dhabi since 2017 to 2019 with 6 members of the family. The kids is 9 years old, the second is 5 years old, and the third is 3 years old, and the last one is newborn. My duty and responsibility to them: cleaning the house, washing, ironing, cooking some basic food for the kids, and feeding the kids, feeding the baby, most of the time staying with the newborn. And also I'm going to market. That is from 2017 to 2019 in Abu Dhabi. And then I go home. I stay in 1 year and 2 months in Philippines. Then I go back in the same employer since 2021 to 2023. In the same employer, 6 members of the family, and the kids already 12 years old, and the other one is 7 years old, and the third one is already 6 years old, and the last one is 3 years old. My duty and responsibility with them: preparing the food, cooking some basic food for the kids, prepare the things for school, bring them to the school bus, and cooking, ironing, washing, cleaning the house, and also going to market. Sir, ma'am, if you choose me as your worker, as your nanny, I will promise that I will do my best to do my duty and responsibility, and I'm willing to learn, and I follow your house rule, and I will promise that I will follow what you want to do, and I will do my best to be happy, of course, your kids. Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day. See you soon.